In the new YouTube update, you can remove any copyright claim music from your YouTube video without losing audio quality. YouTube made a brand new feature to erase copyright music from your video. Let's see how it worked. Here, I will upload a video that contains a copyright claim music and I will remove the music later. I just uploaded the video. Video upload complete. Now it started checking. As you see, YouTube algorithm found copyright music in my video. Now click on the See details. It says it doesn't harm my channel, but later my video won't monetize. So click on the Select action. Now click on the Erase song. Click on Continue. Make sure you only click on Erase song. Click on Save. Click on Erase song. Now YouTube is editing your video, so it terminates the copyright claim song. Go to your video list on YouTube. Here you see this video is checking again. That's mean it's working on your video. Wait for some times.
A few moments later.
Now we see there is no restriction in this video. That's mean YouTube remove the music from the video. Now you are totally enabled to monetize the video. Comment to me how many subscriber you have. I have 0 subscriber right now. If you kindly subscribe to my channel, God will help you to grow your channel.